Gurus are still feeding creators the safe, just follow your passion bullshit, and it's sinking their whole channel into the swamp of failure. Western niche advice is just a worse version of this 2,000-year-old framework. And while passion is a required circle, if you're ignoring the other three, you're already drowning. I'm gonna teach you how to swim. Ikigai, Japanese concept that roughly translates to reason for being. Your niche lives where all four intersect. Let me show you what happens when they don't. Do you love your content and believe that you're good at making it? That's passion. Feels like a dream, but in reality, it's a trap. You're gardening in a desert. You can have the most beautiful plants, but with zero water, everything dies. Imagine you make a 4-hour deep dive on a 1970s video game. Your editing is flawless, your research is deep, but nobody clicks because nobody cares. You're not building a channel, you're building a portfolio no one was hiring from. This is the failure state invisible. You don't have an audience problem. You have a why should anybody care problem. You can do this for 2 years, get 200 views per video, and then quit to become an accountant. That's not success, that's delayed surrender. Now keep the love, swap what you're good at with what the world needs, lose the money and skill. You care about mental health. The topic matters and people need it, but your videos are boring and poorly edited, and you haven't figured out how to monetize. You're doing charity work with your rent money, and you might help 50 people who suffered through the audio quality, but you can't afford to keep making them. This is mission. Purpose without profit becomes a hobby that burns you out. You don't scale, you don't last, you make videos for about 6 months and then quit to find a new job and delete the channel. You don't fail because you care too little, you fail because you can't afford to continue to care. Now let's flip it. Skill plus money minus love and need. You're excellent at making content that generates money, but overall contributes nothing meaningful. Those faceless AI channels posting 10 times a day, stacking cash, no face attached, no scandal risk, no soul. Or the clickbait reactor that doesn't really care about the game, they only care about the algorithm. It's like being a really good salesman for a product you don't really give a fuck about. You can do it, you can probably even get rich, but when the algorithm shifts, the trend dies, or your CPM drops, you find out that your audience was following the trend, not you. You don't have fans. You have refugees looking for the next camp. This is profession. You're a digital landlord collecting rent on a property you don't own. You made money, but you never built equity. When the market crashes, you're not just broke, you're irrelevant. Now take the need and money. Lose the love and skill. Mental health content is needed. It's monetizable. You're chasing it because the opportunity is real, but you're not good at explaining concepts and you don't generally care. You're wearing someone else's suit to the job interview. It fits, but it itches. The audience smells it immediately. They can name it, but they don't subscribe. You get initial clicks because the topic is hot, but they watch 30 seconds and bounce. You're forever the guy who does videos about, instead of the guy who knows. And when the algorithm figures out you're not keeping people, it stops feeding you. This is vocation. You're a tourist in someone else's niche. The demand is real, but you're not the right vessel. And no amount of grinding fixes you being the wrong person for the job. 2 circles is obviously broken, but 3 circles? That's the dangerous one. 3 feels like you're close. You're not. You're just comfortable enough to stay stuck until it's too late. Missing just money, you're the starving artist. Loved, skilled, needed, and 1 bill away from quitting entirely. You don't fail because you're bad. You fail because you can't afford to be good anymore. Missing just need, you're the sellout. You're skilled, paid, it's loved by you, but entirely meaningless for them. When the trend shifts, you have no foundation to pivot. You built on sand. Missing just skill, you're the imposter. Loved, paid, needed, but you suck and they know it. You'll get exposed eventually. You can't fake competence forever. Missing just love, you're the prisoner. Skilled, paid, needed, and miserable. You'll make money until you break and then disappear when someone else replaces you tomorrow. 3 circles keep you busy. They don't keep your motion. 4 questions. Answer them honestly. 1, do I genuinely love this, or am I just good at it? 2, does this solve a problem for a real person that I can name right now? 3, is there an actual market for this, or am I just hoping one appears? 4, can I make this for 2 years without resenting it? If you hesitated on any of those, that's your leak. Not your destination, but where you need to begin digging. Because building on 3 circles is just failing slower. But finding your Ikigai, your sense of purpose and meaning in life, isn't enough. A channel built on solid ground still fails if nobody clicks. I just broke down a case where a smaller channel beat a bigger one by 3 times. Same game, same concept, same month. Bigger creator had more research, deeper analysis, and more subscribers. Lost to an 8-minute video because of 4 decisions made before anybody even clicked. Go check that out after you drop your failure states in the comments, the specific way you're currently losing. I'll make sure to check it out for you. Let's have a conversation. And the free worksheet to help you find your Ikigai will be linked in the pinned comment down below. Take 10 minutes, fill it out.